Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says the W by Q of a Carnot engine is 1 by 6. Now the temperature of sink is reduced by 62 degrees Celsius. Then this ratio becomes twice. Therefore the initial temperature of the sink and source are respectively. So at first हमारे पास क्या given है, W by Q, that means efficiency इज इक्वल टू क्या दिया गया है 1 by 6. 1 by 6 इज इक्वल टू 1 minus T2 by T1, where T2 is temperature of sink and T1 is temperature of source. Now T2 by T1 is equal to क्या आ जाएगा, that is equal to 5 by 6. now हमें बोला जा रहा है कि now the temperature of sink is reduced by 62 degrees Celsius. Then this ratio becomes twice. अगर now रेशियो क्या हो जा रहा है, रेशियो बिकम्स ट्वाइस, मतलब 2 into 1 by 6, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस सिंक टेम्परेचर ऑफ सिंक रिड्यूस हो रहा है 62 डिग्री सेल्सियस, मतलब T2 minus 62 upon T1. Now 1 by 3 is equal to 1 minus T2 minus 62 by T1. Now T2 minus 62 by T1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3. So T2 minus 62 is equal to 2T1 by 3. 3 को हम इस तरफ लाएंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, that is 3T2 minus 186 is equal to 2T1. now T2 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 5 by 6 T1 यहाँ पर हमने निकाला हुआ है, तो 3 multiply 5 by 6 minus 186 is equal to 2T1. So now 5 by 2 T1, 5 by 2 T1 minus 2T1 is equal to 186. So 5 T1 by 2 is equal to क्या आ जाएगा 186. तो यहाँ से T1 निकल के क्या आ गया, T1 is equal to 372, that is 372 Kelvin, that is equal to 99 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 99 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो यहाँ से हम T2 भी निकाल सकते हैं. T2 इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज 5 by 6 into 372. सो T2 इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज 310 Kelvin, दैट इज इक्वल टू 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो T1 और T2 क्या आ गया, T1 99 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड T2 is equal to 37 degree Celsius. So therefore the initial temperature of the sink and source are 37 degrees Celsius and 99 degrees Celsius. Option B is our correct answer. Hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.